Alright guys, this is Archie with ARV Adventures. Last night we went to have dinner with my son and his family. We were driving back. Actually, we had just taken off from the restaurant and I got a stable track, something like that, error message down here, warning code, and my lights, everything just went crazy. My voltage dropped really low. This has happened before. About 7 months ago I thought it was fixed. I thought I fixed it, and I'll talk to you about it here in a minute. But so we're supposed to be moving to another site tomorrow, about an hour away, so I definitely don't want any problems while we're pulling the trailer behind us. So I'm going to try to troubleshoot it the best I can today, and hopefully I'll find something. I've replaced the alternator, the battery, the negative lead for the battery. There's a sensor that comes off of the negative lead, tells the alternator to put out more juice or not. Replaced it. Long story short, it's like I said, it's been 6 or 7 months with no problem. Now it's back. So what I'm going to just try right now is I'm just going to try jiggle the key and see if that affects my voltage at all. Actually, I'm gonna put my brights on also because I want to use as much juice as I can. Last night I freaked out. I turned everything off. It was nighttime, so we had to have the lights on, but when we were driving, it was some really dark areas. I put the brights on and they're just were getting dim on their own. They're going bright to dim, bright to dim. Supposedly this is a problem with Chevy Silverados, grounding issues. Oh wow, I just got it to flash. The problem may be right here in this ignition. I wonder if the problem is here. I got a lot of crap on my keys, so there's a lot of weight on there, and as we're driving around, that stuff is alright. Well, I can't get it to do it again, but I am gonna possibly just put a key in there and take all that extra crap off of it, so there's no additional weight just dangling there, and moving the key around. Let me go under the hood right now and see what we can figure out there. Okay, like I said, about 6 or 7 months ago, I replaced the alternator. I replaced the battery. I replaced the negative lead. Here, I replaced that. And there's a sensor on here, like some kind of voltage sensor. I replaced it also. So far, terminals feel like they're tight. Moving, I wonder. So I can't find anything. I put a multimeter on the positive terminal. I put the ground wire on each one of my grounding points, and I had good voltage. The only thing I can think to do right at this point is to actually take them off, take my ground points off, clean them, and then reinstall them. And hopefully the problem goes away. I really don't know what to do at this point. So what I'll do is clean them and reinstall them. There's a couple underneath the truck. I'll do them also. So I got the first one off. They look actually great. I don't see any corrosion on them. They look pretty clean. But I did got some contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner. I'm just going to spray everything down there and put it all. So my battery showed a good connection. Everything looks good, but I just went ahead and sprayed it anyways with some contact cleaner. And I'm going to do the other grounding points and hopefully it'll fix it. So it's kind of hard to show you guys what I'm doing and film at the same time, but this one will probably be the easiest. So I've got my multimeter hooked up. I've got my red wire on my hot. Now I'm going to go down here. I'm actually going to check the grounding point to make sure it's good. So I'm on the post, I'm on the grounding post, and I've got 14.95. So now I'll go on the wire. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm on the upper wire. 14.94. I'm going to go to the lower wire. Really hard to show you guys, I'm sorry, but 14.96. So the grounding point is good. There's a good ground there. Probably didn't even need to clean it, but I got to try and figure out what's going on, so I did it anyways. Hopefully I'll find something significant, and I'll let you know what I find. Alright guys, so I could not find anything hard definitely causing the problem. So like I said, I just cleaned the connectors, all the grounding points. I checked all the wires on the battery, make sure that everything was tight. We got to go for a drive this afternoon. It's going to be about 40 minutes each way, so that'll be a good little test run. Really don't know what it could be. If anybody has any ideas, respond to the video and let me know what you think.